What is going on, guys? Welcome to a new video, and in this video we are gonna attach my windows, and we are starting on the rear window. So these are plexiglass windows, and I'm not gonna glue them. I'm gonna bolt them down with bolts. They fit pretty good, so I think we should not have any problem with that. The car is still not clear coated, but when you're watching this, it should be shining and looking very sharp already. As you can see here, the plexiglass is on and it's fitting quite nice. All the corners are like exactly how I want them, and you can't see any cracks. My idea is to drill into that, push in a like rivet nut, I don't know, well, a rivet with threads in, so I can just bolt it on and remove it quite easily. But first we need to mark where the holes are gonna be, and I just wanted to make sure it's okay to put it on like where the glue is supposed to be, so there is like enough surface here and here, so the hole won't be on like all the way on this corner, but that won't be that good. It could be a little bit more upwards, but there's gonna be this lip, so I don't know about all that. But now I'm just gonna go and mark from the inside with a pen, like around there. If you don't get it now, you can get it in like 3 seconds. Wait. As you can see, we have plenty of space here, and I think we will have no problem mounting it from here. Same thing on the down here. There is enough. So now we just need to calculate how we wanna get our rivets in. Like what is the pattern with that, and then we need to start drilling holes here. I think we're gonna do like maybe 3 here and maybe 4 here. I don't know, let's see how it holds up. We will come to that when we cross that bridge. Now we'll start measuring. I measured the middle spot, well, kinda middle spot, and it's supposed to be here. I made a mark and I bought this, so I don't know what to call this, but you know how it works. You put it in the mark and there, now you have a perfect start for your drilling. And now I'm just gonna drill it. So this will be our test hole. Hopefully it goes well, because if it's not going well, I need to weld that shut and start again. So pray for me. Now I'm gonna make a little bigger hole so we can see if the rivet nut fits. Fingers crossed. I made the bigger hole and it fits, well, I'm not gonna say perfect, but barely. There is not much playroom, I can tell you that, if you can see the rivet. I don't want to move it much more herwards, because then the bolt is gonna be so close to this edge. And I trust this metal way more than I trust this plastic not to crack. Now we need to make this same thing onto the other side. Of course, I had only 5mm rivet gun, so quick shopping at Puilo, and now we got the Tomber rivet. I don't know what to call it. Rivet gun? No, maybe. This is Tomber. This is best of the best. Not really. But now I'm trying to squeeze this nut. No. I'm trying to squeeze this rivet. Let's see how it goes. This actually worked better than I expected. The rivet nuts are in. I put some base coat on it so it won't rust. This side is also in. Now we need to get the rear window on it and try to measure the holes so we can mount it with 2 screws, bolts, 2 bolts. We're not gonna use screws, so it's easier to mark the rest of them, because I can't hold it alone and mark it. So wish me luck again. I'm holding it down with clamps, and as you can see, the rivet is here. I just push this in like this, and then I mark it from the inside, from the rivet. So now we have a nice little mark here. Let's drill it. As you can see, I kinda overshot the placement. That's why we're only doing 2 now and the rest of them a little later. So as you can see, I can move this hole like 3mm more this way, so it sits better here. So I can actually put it right in the middle here. That's good to know with the rest of them. They will be a little out of line like this, but who cares? The holes all drilled. Now Let's pray it fits. I really hope it fits. The battery died when I was trying to test fit the rear window, but I made some progress while the camera was loading. I drilled some holes and I measured them so they will look like symmetrical or something like that. But, oh, this is good, this is nice. Oh, this is good, this is nice. What the hell? Oh, this is good, this is nice. Oh, this is good, this is nice. What the hell? So now I will just keep on drilling and measuring. Well, hopefully the other way around, measuring and drilling. I will put this camera to load again so I can make some more content for you guys. See you after the battery is full.
She ain't crying, and it's so smiling. Plus this bitch look cute, so we slide out. I'm checking my mirrors, made it to the house, told her hop out. She say that she hungry, I not back, no doubt. I know you mad, cause I smoked your mans. Left him on the curb, she started smiling. She say fuck that nigga, he from 63rd. Just got some top from this stripper bitch. She from Kankakee, just bought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the stove, you know how it goes, she wanna smoke. So I bought some dope and took her to the O. Just got some top from this.
Now we are ready to put the glass back on and mark the spots so we can drill this. I want to tighten it this time because that one didn't fit that well. So I want to have like that curve in it so it's easier to mark and drill. Finally got all the bolts on. Now I still need to do this underside, but that's a little more tricky because I can't see anything behind here. So it's not possible to mark from the inside. So I think I just need to take a small drill bit and drill the holes here and try to mark the spots on the car and see how that's working. I think I don't have any other choice. But other than that, it's sitting pretty good. Here will be one. The rivet is already there. I just need the hole, but it's looking very nice. I'm gonna try to do this underside now. I'm about to drill these holes. So I guess here goes nothing. Hope everything goes well and it hits a good spot. I'm gonna start with this drill bit. The holes are now drilled and it felt like a good spot, but I'm not sure until I take off this whole window. But I really hope it landed in a good spot. Let's check it out. I think this might be the best possible outcome. Thank God. Not gonna lie, I was a little nervous about that. Now these holes get the same treatment as the upper ones. Not gonna show you the whole process because it takes time and it's pretty annoying and boring, but you get the idea. These came out very good. The spot is very good. Okay, I don't know about this one, but all these others, they sit with it really well. This is not as thick as this is because there is like 2 sheets of metal here. This is only one, so it was much easier. Now we only need to see if this fits. If it doesn't, we have just wasted a lot of time and my patience. So I'm just gonna throw it in there and hopefully it will fit. Guess what, guys? The glass fits. Hell yes. This is gonna be a noisy glass though. I think it's gonna be but all the holes aligned. There is a couple high spots and low spots here and there, but I think that's just the That's just the plexiglass things. Don't really care about it. The inside, you can't see any outside. You can't see the sunlight in the corners. My first time installing a window like this, and it wasn't that hard. Now it's easier with the windshield, but these front windows, I want to have like a quick release, so I don't get that hot while drifting or driving around. I was thinking some like sliders, like here and here, so you can like and take the whole glass out. But we will see what the final product is. Kinda want to just like rip this cover off so I can see the real glass. But let's not do it now, because it will get scratched and we don't like that. It's not as wobbly as I thought. I thought it will be like wom, 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 wom. But that's it for the day. And tomorrow, when I get my girlfriend here for help, we're gonna do the windshield. That might be a little trickier than the rear window and more important. But I think we will handle it. We have started on the front windshield already a little bit. We squeezed first 2 nuts already. So here's our first rib nuts in, and I already got the spot from here. There's a little small hole, and next we're gonna do this side, and then we're gonna mount it on by these 2 and mark the rest of the holes. Kind of same process as the rear glass. I think I'm not gonna bore you guys, I'm just gonna do that. Or we are going to do that. But yeah, let's get to work.
Crying in the club with my stick. Spit high, got slimes on deck, metal on like they just flick big. 2 girls, 2 cups, no I had to level up, ate a Mario mushroom quick. When the niggas be chicken like a nugget, they be just actors, there's a Washington. I'ma play this out of song when the small is my lane, for the niggas in my scrap bin. So that we can get along, so that we can be friends in another fucking life, my friend. Cut though, baby on my nuts though, cause I don't give a fuck ho. I might be around squirrels, cause a nigga is a nut ho. This, that, yes, I get the biggest shadow ring, fucking big fat. I'm not skinny, big bitch, big facts. Chief, keep that pussy, bang, bang. Pretty please don't act like me, and you is the fucking same thing. Yes, nigga, I switched the float up, unorthodox, gang. Ay, try to bite like a vampire fang. Diamonds water bending like a nigga ang. Intelligence is only for the gentlemen, so tell you pussy niggas, yes, tricks for the kids. That's a fact, like a snapper cat tip. Lame niggas saying that they fucking demons don't want it, they lost up in the sauce in this bitch. I ain't never need a false deity, give me power or do a damn thing for me, bitch. While I'm acting like a monster like Stitch, you be acting like a bitch, so I call you sis. Switcheroo your bitch, But I call him the sister, Tell him this ain't that and that ain't this with the flick of my wrist, Cut though, baby on my nuts though, cause I don't give a fuck ho. I might be around squirrels, cause a nigga is a nut ho. Cut through, love it when they right ho. Knife on the A-grade, step away, gun ho. Hopping in that mosh pit, I was trying to raise shit. It's a different day, these fuck niggas on the same shit, I hate it. Rich like a white bitch, I should go blind bitch.
We finally got the front windshield mounted. I think there is more than plenty of bolts, so it should hold up very good. And I was scared there will be a lot of play like this, because it's plastic, but as you can see, I think we have 0 problem. Still need to remove it, because we start the bodywork on the outside of the car, and don't want to get any paint on these windows. And I was thinking of putting like washers under these. These are just like temporary like this, and of course need the black lining here, so you won't see all the ugliness under it. Same with this one and with all the doors. But I will end this like always. I'm going home to sleep. It's so late already, but can't stop the grind. We need this car ready. So I think we will see tomorrow again. It's been a couple of days since I installed the Plexi windows. As you can see, I have started on the rear fenders, but that's for another video. In like half an hour, we're gonna go pick up something we have been waiting for quite a while, and that's my girlfriend's E46. And what I know, it's gonna look fucking sick, and I just wanted to show it to you guys, because we're gonna make more content about that. But I want to end this video with a little teaser of something what is coming later on. I'm not gonna talk about it that much, I'm just gonna show you when we pick the car up. So it's been in a shop for like 3 weeks maybe now. What I've seen from the photos, it's something you guys gonna like. But we will show that to you guys in a bit. I promised to show the E46. Now 2 days ago we got all the stuff done we wanted to do to it, but it was so dark outside at like 2 AM. We didn't get to film it. Today I promise you guys are gonna see it. Somebody driving his drift missile. We have all kinds of E46 stuff with us, and today we are gonna see how the car is about to look finished. Without paint of course, but we get the idea. This is the E46. Now we are just getting it around the corner and have a quick shoot.
I'm in my Lambo, maggot with my 4-4. Doors lift up, I'm like, go, gadget. See the shit I got on. Homie, I hate to.